Welcome to Studio Storytale Podcast. Today we are discussing something exciting. AI.
They're doing amazing things with AI, though.
Artificial intelligence, same humans created, and now humans fear it.
Machines are more responsible than me in real life. At least AI never loses the TV remote. Humans, always missing.
Why everyone's scared of AI or only using it to cheat in homework?
And shortcuts. Email, AI. Essay, AI. Love proposal, also AI.
Yeah.
So next time, AI will even write wedding vows. If bride agrees with terms and conditions, maybe yes.
Mom said, go buy milk penny. AI offers map, discount, fat content report.
And yet, humans return without milk. Because humans still loading.
AI perfect and we defective.
Everyone became AI expert after 5 reels. Earn money fast with AI like chatbots print currency notes.
If only technology also earned the money itself. That future might come too.
So future humans, our value? Creativity, empathy pro. AI copies knowledge, not feelings.
We must walk with AI, not fear it. If we evolve, AI serves us. If we sleep, machine takes chair.
So AI is not our enemy, Huichin. It is opportunity.
And if AI takes job, ask AI to help find new one.
Thanks for watching Studio Storytale Podcast.
Subscribe, like, share, and tell us your next topic.
Your comment decides our next episode.